In this crypto video, I will talk about Arbitrum crypto. So currently you can see that in Coinmarketcap, the current price of Arbitrum is $1.1487 and in 24 hours, this crypto has gone down to 9.2%. Now according to some crypto expert, as on today, okay, 65% sale, okay, 65% sale and 35% buy will be beneficial for you. Whereas if I talk about the market rank of Arbitrum crypto, the market rank, the market dominance of Arbitrum crypto is 0.13%, and market rank is 38, which can reach to 35 when the crypto will increase by 7 to 8%, and in near 7 days there is highly a chance that this crypto can give you a return of more than 7 to 8%. But still, before investment, do a proper crypto market research. Why? Because crypto market is highly volatile. The next reason to create a video on Arbitrum is from past few days Arbitrum is trending in CoinMarketCap, and if you want to buy Arbitrum, there are some platform like Binance and KuCoin from where you can buy Arbitrum. Before investment, do a proper crypto market research. We'll see you soon in another cryptocurrency video.